Donald Trump administration may take a fresh look at its plan to set up F-16 plant in India. US defense firm Lockheed Martin wants to push ahead with plans to move production of its F-16 combat jets to India, but President Donald Trump's administration may want to take a fresh look at the proposal. With no more orders for the F-16 from the Pentagon, Lockheed plans to use its Texas plant to produce the fifth-generation F-35 Joint Strike Fighter that the United States Air Force is transitioning to. Lockheed would switch F-16 production to India as long as the Indian government agrees to order the hundreds of planes that the Indian Air Force desperately needs. Trump has criticized US companies that have moved manufacturing overseas and which then sell their products back to the US. In Lockheed's case, however, the plan is to build the F-16 to equip the Indian Air Force and not sell them back into the United States. Analysts say that India is expected to spend $250 billion on defense modernization over the next decade, and there is concern that making the F-16 in India would not only hit Lockheed Martin, but also threaten other military contracts to come up in India for Boeing, Northrop, and Raytheon. A person close to Lockheed said company officials did not know what the Trump administration planned to do about the proposal to shift F-16 production to India. Lockheed is following it closely and talking with the White House, but if they don't move production to India, there's no way they will get the India contract, the person added. One argument was that moving F-16 plant to India would preserve some component production in the United States. Lockheed also said that moving the F-16 assembly plant to India will also create 200 engineering jobs in the United States to help the production line in India. Also, about 800 workers in the United States making the non-Lockheed parts would keep their jobs if construction shifts to India. F-16 is up against SUBSCRIBE, and the Indian government is to decide this year on which company will build the single-engine fighter plane in India. This sums up the latest Indian defense updates. Do check out our other videos too. Click the thumbnail of the video to watch it. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Google+ and Instagram for instant updates.